today we are going to the forest preserve. We're gonna let the kids roam around and just explore, see things in nature. You excited, Val? Max back there and the baby. Yes, and we're going to meet my sister, so that's gonna be cool. The kids will get to hang out with their cousins too. So yeah, so here we go. Going on a cool nature walk.
Wait.
Too. It might be
you can see, look right here.
It might
you
be
can see where a deer jumped across. Oh, watch your step. Do you see the deer footprints in the mud over there?
Raise your hand if you want to explore. I do. I want to explore.
Using this to check out the water.
Yeah. No, explore over here.
Daddy.
So screen time has become such a norm lately, so it's nice to take the kids out, right?
Let's go.
So nice.
This is supposed to be in here.
You are strong.
Look!
Whoa!
Look out, everybody!
Ready, set, go! They've upgraded from rocks to long sticks.
Hey, Val, can you take a picture over here real quick with Max? Careful. Or not. Yeah. Whoa. Hey, go get Val. Let's take a picture of you guys.
It's poisonous. It can hurt you.
Uh-oh, don't touch. It's not good for us.
Little frog. You just got to make sure that you don't squish it, okay? Because they can squish really easily. You don't want to hurt them. You good?
Yeah, you can touch him too. Good job, Max!
Here.
Nice.
Uh-oh.
The baby's asleep. The thing about baby wearing is these little ones are so comfy. Look at her. Thanks to my sister, you know, she invited us to come out and explore with the kids, so the kids can be with their cousins and they're all hanging out.
You're gonna have to hold it though now.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
That was cool, right? That was pretty cute.
Now we're back home with this little babe. She loves this. This has been passed down. It was Max's, then Val's, and now hers, and she loves it. Hey, Mama. You like it?